Okay, so today we're making pho, and I want to share our, how we do it and our favorite. Okay, so this is my son's work, but he's too shy to be on the camera. And so I'm just going to go over it, I guess. So this is mint right here, Thai mint, and then some lemon or lime. Obviously cilantro, uh, green onion, Thai basil, not mint, basil. Okay, so Thai basil, um, lolau. Yeah, I don't know what the American term is for that.
That's also a type of basil.
This is another type of mint or basil, I guess. I don't remember the name of this, but lemon yeah lolau na. So yeah, lolau ma, Okay, so and then bean sprout, we tend to like to add some of those. And this is watercress, or if you have, those salad, a very fresh salad, those very fresh one, those. We were very young, salad leaves and stuff. What do you call those?
The baby spring mix.
The baby spring mix. Yeah, salad mix. Those do really well as well. And then obviously fun. Okay. So these are kind of some of the ingredients. All right. And then the typical pho spices. Obviously here are the typical, pho spices and stuff. The typical stuff on a little circular thing that, I won this from. Actually, I didn't win this. It's more like a fundraising thing that I got from the kids' musical show. And it looks kind of cool. Nice design and stuff, and we can put some of our spices on. All right, so these are really important for pho dishes. Okay, so chili sauce, obviously, black pepper, hoisin sauce. There's some spices that we tend to add. Obviously, fish sauce. We have a couple of favorite fish sauces, and then the the beef sauce, ground chili, obviously some garlic and stuff, and some other hot sauce. I mean, I really like this hot sauce too, and some spice sauce and stuff. So gotta have a good variety here for pho to taste good. I love fresh spices too, like fresh, what do you call the spice name? Hatsara, what do you call it?
These are here?
No, fresh hatsara.
Oh, chili?
Pepper, yeah, chili, fresh pepper, okay? Fresh chili pepper. So if you add some of those too, just tastes so good. Okay. This is all my son's work, but obviously, like I said, he's kind of shy to be on the camera, so kind of just talk through his cooking. So this is the pho soup, and obviously you got meatballs in there, and he has some ribs in there, some beef ribs in there. And some of the things we like to add are things like the neck of, beef neck or oxtail. Oh, those are really good. So, but add some of those pieces into this, and let's see. I think he does add lemongrass in here, and there are a couple of pack of spices right there that you must have. Okay, so I like to add like 1 or 2 pack of those spices in there. It really adds a lot to the taste, and these are specifically kind of made for pho, so you have to get those. If I get a chance to get the taag, I'll show you. It's not my favorite, but the one I really like, we can't find it. And then obviously salt goes in there, right? And You know, fresh garlic goes in there, as well as fresh, you know, balls of onion. So chopped onion, those big onions in there. So you gotta mix all those in there. Let it boil. We like to kind of boil it for some time until the beef is kind of soft. The meatballs can be added later, but we've been cooking this for a while now, so. Okay, so now your favorite dish, and he has perfected this. So, yeah, nhiều lại phở cá thì nó giờ lên từ món xài đó. Bây giờ sáng nó phở nó về của tôi kinh của phở cá thì nó. Or lên on mà cá thì nó. Nepal nishi cho all those ingredients that cái củ thập tác hơn bây giờ. So ni chắc của phở cá nữa. Alright, more to come when we are finished with it. Alright, so I think it's about ready. Yeah, just kind of ready, no? So we're gonna eat, right, son? He's shy, so he didn't want to say yes. Yeah, but that's okay.
I'm just holding up for you, waiting for you.
It looks good.
Yeah.
This with the all this stuff on there. Oh yeah.
Mama.
One of our favorite dishes. Like it's like almost every weekend.
Your favorite dish. Your favorite dish right there.
Yeah. After all the dry meat through the week and stuff, this is like always a comfort food every weekend. Okay. Good job, boy. I love you, Phaj.
Oh no.
Okay, so here is the dish.
2 hours later, huh?
All the spices that I showed you a while ago is in there. A little bit more of the dry garlic goes in there. You can see the onion, lemon, cilantro, Thai basil. I have some others, dlua in there too. And, you know, obviously the sprout and the watercress. Woo-hoo-hoo, all there. More pepper. I love pepper, so more pepper. Lots of pepper in there. And so, chili sauce next. Okay, chili oil goes in there. And a little bit of beef. What do you call these? A little bit of beef paste as well. Goes in there, not a lot, just a little bit. Alright, some kind of seasoning sauce, a little bit. Add some taste to it, just a little bit, like that. Seasoning sauce in there. And then some sriracha in there, sauce in there. Just like that, not a ton. And then half a spoon of these chili sauce. This is some ground fresh chili paste with garlic in it. It's really delicious. So gotta add some of that. Just half a small, small spoon, not a normal spoon. Okay, so just a little bit. Okay, so like so. All right. So now I got all the stuff that I wanted in there. It's soup time. So I'm gonna go get this soup next. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now come up closer. So now this is the soup. Okay, so I'm gonna put the soup right on top of it. Get all the sauce in there. And this is a big bowl, so it's probably good. And I'm gonna add my rib just for presentation purposes. Alright, and then just wait till I stir it up. Okay. Okay, so this is the finished bowl, finished product here. All the spices are mixed up in there. The meatballs in there, obviously all the sauce, everything else, and this is the beef rib. I'm gonna taste it. Ah, the soup is just like awesome, you know. Nothing beats homemade Phaj. I mean, honestly, we eat a lot of Phaj, and nothing beats homemade Phaj. So let's see. Mmm. Mmm. And these meatballs, only certain ones taste good too. Not all of them. So you have to get the right one. Mmm. Ang tatay. Let me see. Ôi ôi, cắn lợn không? Eat a little bit of meat, a little bit of veggie, and a little bit of fry. This is how you eat fry. Mmm. Oh, ta. It's probably good, and I'm gonna add my rib just for presentation purposes. Mmm. Alright, and then just wait till I stir it out. Okay.